school, and behind the teacher, the home.
ઓકે, કોણ મિનિંગ મને સમજાવશે? સુફિયાન? 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 કોઈ બીજું સ્ટુડન્ટ? શબ્બર મહેદી?
મને સમજાઈ ગયું પણ સમજાવતા નથી આવડતું.
કેમ બેટા, એમ થોડું ચાલે? આજે તમે લોકો બોર્ડ પર થોટ લખો છો, તમને તો મિનિંગ ક્લિયર હોવો જોઈએ ને. તો બસ ઈ રીતના તો છે.
મને તો સમજાય જ ગયો.
કોણ બેટા?
સમજાવતા નથી આવડતો.
ઓકે, બીજું કોણ છે? હજીલ, હા બોલતો બેટા.
સર, આપણા પેરેન્ટ્સ આપણને સ્કૂલ મોકલે અને
હા
આપણે અને
પછી
આપણા ટીચર છે ને આપણને હોમવર્ક આપે એટલે આપણે ઘરે કરવી.
ઓકે, બિહાઇન્ડ ધ પેરેન્ટ્સ સ્ટેન્ડ્સ ધ સ્કૂલ. મિનિંગ શું થાય તો તમે સમજો કે
પેરેન્ટ્સ ના પાછળ સ્કૂલ છે.
ઓકે,
એટલે પેરેન્ટ્સ
એન્ડ ધ
પછી
ટીચર.
સ્કૂલ
ઓકે,
અને ટીચર
ટીચરની
પછી હોમ.
પાછળ હોમ છે, રાઈટ? ઓકે, હવે જો તમને મિનિંગ ક્લિયર
એટલે
કરું.
ટીચર આપણી પાછળ મહેનત કરે તો આપણે હોમ બનાવી શકીએ.
એક્ઝેક્ટલી, એક્ઝેક્ટલી, વેરી ગુડ. સમજો, તમે જ્યારે એઝ અ સ્ટુડન્ટ સ્કૂલમાં આવો છો, તો તમારે આ એક વસ્તુ, હવે તમે મોટા થઈ ગયા તો તમને આઈડિયા આવી જાય કે તમે જ્યારે સ્કૂલમાં આવો તો સ્કૂલ અને ટ્યુશનમાં એટલો તો ડિફરન્સ છે કે ટ્યુશનમાં તમને નોલેજ મળે છે. સ્કૂલની અંદર નોલેજ પ્લસ ડિસિપ્લિન, આ બે વસ્તુ મળે. ડિસિપ્લિન એક મેનર્સ છે અને એ બધા મેનર્સ તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સ તમારામાં જે છે ને એ એડ કરતા હોય છે. પણ જ્યારે અમુક જગ્યાએ પેરેન્ટ્સ જે છે એડ ન કરી શકે તો સ્કૂલ્સ જે છે એની પાછળ ઊભી હોય અને ઈ તમને એક સારા એવા સ્ટુડન્ટ તરીકે એ પ્રિપેર કરાવે કે જેની અંદર નોલેજ બી હોય અને ડિસિપ્લિન બી હોય. અને બિહાઇન્ડ ધ ટીચર ઇટ ઇઝ હોમ. એટલે જ્યારે કોઈ ટીચર તમારી પાછળ વર્ક કરતું હોય, મહેનત કરતું હોય અને ત્યારે જ તે ઈ તમારું જે છે એ હોમ બને, રાઈટ? સો એનો મિનિંગ બેઝિકલી કંઈક આવો થાય. ઇટ મીન્સ સ્કૂલ, ટીચર, પેરેન્ટ્સ આ બધી વસ્તુ તમારા લાઈફ માટે ખૂબ જરૂરી છે, રાઈટ? આ બધી વસ્તુ તમારી માટે જરૂરી છે, ચાહે ટીચર હોય, સ્કૂલ હોય કે પછી તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સ હોય. અત્યારે કોવિડના પીરિયડમાં તમને ટીચર ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી તમારી સાથે કનેક્ટેડ છે, બટ સ્કૂલ તમારાથી બહુ દૂર છે. આઈ થિંક લગભગ કમ્પ્લીટ 1.5 વર્ષ થવા આવ્યું, હજી સુધી આપણે સ્કૂલની અંદર જે છે એન્ટ્રી નથી લીધી. તો એનો મિનિંગ બેઝિકલી કંઈક આવો થાય કે ભાઈ સ્કૂલ, ટીચર, પેરેન્ટ્સ આ બધી વસ્તુ તમારી એક બેટર લાઈફ માટે જરૂરી છે, રાઈટ? બધાને ક્લિયર થઈ ગયો થોટ?
યસ.
ઓકે,
યસ.
ઓકે, સારું. ચલો હવે આપણે આપણા ટોપિક ઉપર આવીએ કે આપણે આઈ થિંક લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ચેપ્ટર નંબર 1 સોરી કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યું હતું, ચેપ્ટર નંબર 2
ચેપ્ટર નંબર
અને
2
ચેપ્ટર નંબર 2 ની અંદર બેટા આપણે શું કર્યું હતું કોઈ કહે છે મને?
2.1 કમ્પ્લીટ.
2.1 કમ્પ્લીટ કરી હતી.
ઓકે, 2.2 આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ નથી કરી?
ના.
નહીં.
આઈ થિંક કરી દીધેલી છે, નથી કરેલી એમ ને?
સર
નો સર, નથી કર્યું.
યસ બેટા.
સર તમે ત્યાં 2.1 કરાવી ત્યારે હું એબસન્ટ હતો તો મને એક સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લેવા દો ને.
ઓકે, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ, 1 મિનિટ બેટા. 2.2 આઈ થિંક કયો ક્લાસ છે? હા, ઓકે ઓકે, હા, ઈટ ગર્લ્સમાં કરાવી દીધી, તમારામાં નથી કરાવી, રાઈટ છે. ઓકે 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 ઓકે, તારે સ્ક્રીનશોટ લેવો હોય તો લઈ લે. 2.1 એક્સરસાઇઝ ના બધા ક્વેશ્ચન છે, 1 to 12 ક્વેશ્ચન. જલ્દીથી લઈ
યસ
લે
સર.
સ્ક્રીનશોટ.
ઓકે સર.
ઓકે, તો આપણે આજે 2.2 એક્સરસાઇઝ સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાની છે, રાઈટ?
યસ.
ઓકે, 1 મિનિટ. ઓકે બેન, 2.2 એક્સરસાઇઝ બેઝિકલી આની પહેલા બી મેં તમને કીધું હતું કે ઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ સમની એક્સરસાઇઝ છે અને ડિફિકલ્ટ એક્સરસાઇઝ છે, ટાઈમ કન્ઝ્યુમિંગ એક્સરસાઇઝ છે, રાઈટ? સો ટોટલ 16 ક્વેશ્ચન છે 2.2 માં. તો એને કમ્પ્લીટ કરતા આપણે 3 લેક્ચર્સની જરૂર પડશે. ફર્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં 1 to 6 ક્વેશ્ચન, સેકન્ડ લેક્ચરમાં 7 to 11 ક્વેશ્ચન એન્ડ થર્ડ લેક્ચરમાં 12 to 16 ક્વેશ્ચન, રાઈટ? આ રીતના આપણે 3 લેક્ચરમાં એ એક્સરસાઇઝને કમ્પ્લીટ કરશું. ઓકે?
ઓકે સર.
Okay. Now you can see exercise 2.2, question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Like this, it is our question. This question is in form of statement. We have to convert this statement into equation and then we can solve and we find the value of variable. Now you can see first we have to identify from the question what is our variable. So if you read again this question, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, here you can see here it is written number. So it means it is our variable. We don't know which number we have. So we are supposing that a number is x, right? Now again read the statement. If you subtract 1 by 2 from x and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So what is the value of x? Clear all of you? First you have to identify what is our variable. And instead of any word, we have to substitute the word x and read question again. You can clearly understood the question. Again, I am reading. Please see here. If you subtract 1 by 2 from x and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the value of x? How can you convert this statement into equation? You can see here. First statement, if you subtract 1 by 2 from x, so I think we can write here, if you subtract 1 by 2 from x, first we are supposing that, suppose a number is x, right? Now what is the statement? If you subtract 1 by 2 from x, so we are subtracting 1 by 2 from the x. Now read again the second part of our statement. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result, what is result? We get x minus 1 by 2, it is result. We have to multiply 1 by 2 to this result. So we get result x minus 1 by 2 into we have to multiply 1 by 2. It is the second part of our statement. And then you can see you get 1 by 8. You get means it is right hand side part. We get 1 by 8. So this statement we are converting into equation. You know that whenever we have problem sum, first you have to remember, you have to identify the variable. Then second, you have to break the statement into 2 or 3 parts so you can clearly understood what is the meaning of question. Here you can see we are dividing the statement into 3 parts. First part, if you subtract 1 by 2 from x, then second part, multiply the result by 1 by 2, and third part, you get 1 by 8. So like this, you are converting this statement into equation. Clear all of you? Are you getting this point?
Yes.
Okay, now what we have to do, we are finding the value of variable. We know that variable is x. So if you want to find the value of x, we are doing simplification. You can see x minus 1 by 2. This 1 by 2, this 2 is in denominator, we are taking into numerator to the right side, right? So 2 into 1 by 8. So it means x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. On the right hand side, it is 1 by 4. Now we have to find x. So we are subtracting this minus 1 by 2 to the right side. So we get plus 1 by 2. Now if you want to add this 1 by 4, add 1 by 2. Here denominator are not same, so we are not adding this two number directly. First we have to take LCM. So 2 ones are 2, cross multiplication, you know that 2 ones are 2 and 4 ones are 4. Divide by 4 twos are 8. So what is the answer? X is equal to 6 by 8. But you know that 6 by 8 is not smallest form of rational number. So we are dividing with common factor, and common factor is 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So what is the answer? What is the value of x? It is 3 by 4. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Like this we have to solve every problem sum. Problem sum is not difficult, but it is complement to all of us. How can you convert the statement into equation? It is the tough portion of our question. Then after simplification, we do in every question. So it is not difficult, right? Now you can see the second question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. It is the first part of our statement, right? So you can see here, we know that the perimeter of any rectangle, it is 154 meter given, right? We know that what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2L plus B, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Perimeter of rectangle, it is 2 in bracket L plus B, right? It is given that 154 meter. It is the first part of our statement. Now second part. Its length is 2 meter more and then twice its breadth. Okay, now you can see in second statement, second part of our statement, the relation of length and breadth is given. Length is 2 meter more. 2 meter more, then it's twice of breadth. and twice of breadth means 2 times of breadth. Please remember this thing. Twice of breadth means 2 times of breadth, and 2 more it means we have to add 2. Again read the statement. Length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. So it means what is the relation of length and breadth? It is L is equal to 2b plus 2. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see the third part of our statement. What are the length and breadth of the pool? We have to find length and breadth. So it means length and breadth are our variable? Yes or no?
Yes.
We have to find length and breadth of this rectangular swimming pool. And for this, you can see here the relation given that between length and breadth we are putting in this statement in a perimeter. L is equal to 2b plus 2. So you can see 2 in bracket. L is equal to, we are substitute 2b plus 2 plus b is equal to 154 meter. Are you getting this point? You can see our perimeter is 2 in bracket L plus B. Instead of this L, we are putting this value 2B plus 2. Clear all of you? Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay,
Yes.
now you can see. Now we are doing simplification, so we get the value of variable B. So you can see 2B plus B, it is 3B plus 2 is equal to 154. Okay, now we are doing solving this question. 2 3s are 6b plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 154. You can see 6b is equal to, we are taking this 4 to the right side, so it's become negative minus. So 6b is equal to 154 minus 4, it is 150, and b is equal to 150 divided by 6. So we get b is equal to 6 divided by 150, it means it is 25 6, right? So we get breadth as 25 meter. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
But it is not our final answer. Why? Because of we have to find the value of length and breadth, and we are just finding breadth. Now we are finding length. So we know that L is equal to 2b plus 2. It is given in our statement. Now put the value of 25 in this equation. So we get length. So L is equal to 2b plus 2. It means 2 into 25 plus 2. So we get L is equal to 25 2s are 50 plus 2. We get L is equal to 52 meter, and it is our answer. Clear all of you? Yes or
Yes.
no? If you have any problem sum, first you have to divide this problem sum into 2 or 3 parts, and then you can solve this question. It is very easy. It is not difficult. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay, now you can see the third problem sum. What?
Second number बाकी है.
Okay, no problem, beta. I am giving you time for writing. Okay? Okay, now you can see third question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Okay, it is very easy question. You can see the first part of our statement, it is given that the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. Now we know that first we know that in isosceles triangle these two sides are equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
The third side base, it is given that 4 by 3 centimeter. Clear? It is first statement.
Yes.
Now you can see second statement. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15. Now the perimeter of this triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15. First of all, we are converting this number into rational number. So you can see 15 4s are 60 and 60 plus 2, 62, right? So 62 divided by 15 centimeter. It is the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, now we are supposing that either of these equal sides, it is x centimeter, right? We have to find both of these equal sides of this isosceles triangle. We are supposing that the side of equal sides of isosceles triangle, the length of this, it is x centimeter. Now you know that what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means we are adding this three side, yes or no?
Yes.
What is the meaning of perimeter?
The side.
We have to add these three sides because of perimeter means borderline. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Why are you not giving me answer? Only one or two students are giving answer. What about other students?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
What are you doing, all of you? Here given that perimeter as 4 centimeter and 2 by 15 centimeter. We are converting this perimeter into 62 by 15 centimeter. Now perimeter means sum of these three sides. So we know that first two side it is x plus x and third side it is given 4 by 3 centimeter. It is known as perimeter and it is given 62 by 15 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we have to add these two x. So x plus x, 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 62 by 15. We have to find the value of x, and for this we are taking this 4 by 3 to the left side. Okay, now we have to subtract these two number, but you know that whenever we have not equal denominator, we cannot add or subtract any rational number. So we are taking LCM. So LCM 15 and 3, it is 15. We know that. So just we are multiplying the second number with 5. So we get 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Both the denominators are equal, right? So 62 by 15 minus 4 5s are 20 divided by 3 5s are 15. Now we can easily subtract. Why? Because of our denominator are equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 2x is equal to 62 minus 20. What is the answer? It is 42 and divide by 15. So we
15.
have to find the value of x. So we are taking 2. This 2 is in multiplication. We are taking into division. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay, now you can
Yes.
see if you divide any number, any factor, we have to divide, right? So first we are dividing with 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 21s are 42. Now you can see 21 and 15. We are dividing with 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. So what is the value of this equal sides? It is 7 by 5 centimeter. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, now we are doing question number 4. Okay, what is your question number 4? You can see here. Sum of two number is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the number. Very easy question. You can see sum of two number. It is 95. I don't know these two numbers, so I am suppose the smaller number is x and the greater number it is y. We are supposing any variable out of a to z, right? We know that the sum of these two number is 95. So x plus y is equal to 95. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is the first part of our question. Now we can see the second part. If one exceeds the other by 15, so it means the greater number y exceeds, exceeds means more than, right? So exceeds by other number means it is x. So in second statement, it is given that the greater number is 15 more than smaller number. So we can convert this statement into this equation, y is equal to x plus 50. Now you know that we have to substitute this value here.
Sir,
So we are substituting x plus, instead of y, we are putting x plus 15, right? Is equal to 95. So x plus x, it is 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. We are taking 15 to the right side. So it is subtract 2x is equal to 95 minus 15, it is 80. We have to find the x, it means we have to divide by 2. So we get x is equal to 240 the 80. We get x is equal to 40. X is a smaller number. So we have to
correct.
write down that smaller number is 40. Is 40. And what is greater number? Greater number is exceeds 15 than smaller number. So it means we are adding 15, 40 plus 15. The second number is 55. Clear all of you? Clear
Yes,
all of you? Okay, now write down fast. Write down fast is question number 1, 2, 3, and 4.
sir, return.
Okay, wait for others to write, please. Mute your mic, all of you, and wait for others to write.
सर क्वेश्चन 2 पर शुरू करो.
શું કીધું બેટા?
क्वेश्चन 2 पर शुरू करो. સર 6b પ્લસ 4 લખ્યું છે અહીંયા ક્વેશ્ચન 2 માં.
કઈ જગ્યાએ બેટા?
6b એની ઉપર
6b
પ્લસ શું છે?
4.
4 છે.
4. 6b plus 4 is equal to 154. Write down fast. We have no more time, please.
Sir, return.
સર રિટર્ન.
Okay.
ડિજિટલ સર કમ્પ્લીટ
Okay.
Sir, thank you.
सर कंप्लीट हो गया। हेलो,
क्या बेटा?
सबका कंप्लीट हो गया।
हैं?
हो गया सबका कंप्लीट।
सबका हो गया?
नो सर।
चलो जल्दी करो। Okay, but tomorrow we will do question number 5 to 10, right? Today we have more time, so just we are doing question 1 to 4, and then after next question we will do in next lecture. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now listen me carefully. Listen me carefully. Write down this question one time in your fair book, and it is tough question, so you have to do this four question two times in your homework. You have to do this two
Sir,
times
which
in your
question?
rough book. These
Which
four
two
questions.
questions?
These four
Okay.
questions.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You have to
Yes.
do these four question in your homework two time and one time in your fair book. Write down this every
Yes.
question three times total. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt. Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Take care.